Apple cider vinegar is the new health mantra. This is not just a statement. It's true in a real sense. Whether you are suffering from heart disease or some kind of infection, skin or hair problems, apple cider vinegar can come to your rescue. Better yet, it can help burn fat, especially belly fat, and keep you slim and trim. But, before you see how it helps reduce body fat, it is important to learn more about this miracle liquid and belly fat. Benefits of apple cider vinegar for burning belly fat. There are several ways that apple cider vinegar may lead to weight loss. 1. Controls blood sugar. Controlling your blood sugar level is important for preventing complications related to obesity and leading a healthy life. To control blood sugar, apple cider vinegar is effective, and this is mainly due to its high acetic acid content. In a 2005 rat study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, acetic acid improved the ability of the liver and muscles to take up sugar from the blood. At the same time, acetic acid reduced the ratio of insulin to glucagon, which also aids in fat burning. 2. Boosts metabolism. Apple cider vinegar helps boost your metabolism rate, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently. It helps alkalize the body, thus preventing you from becoming too acidic, which can make it difficult to reach your weight loss goal. A 2006 study published in Biochemical and Biophysical Research Communications reports that acetic acid boosts the levels of an enzyme that increases how fast fat is burned in the body. Acetic acid also cuts the amount of fat and sugar that the liver makes. 3. Curbs fat storage. Another reason why apple cider vinegar is beneficial in burning belly fat is that it prevents fat storage and aids in the fat burning process. A 2007 study published in Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry reports that acetic acid was a potential compound to improve obesity and obesity-linked type 2 diabetes. It does so by increasing the expression of genes that reduced belly fat storage and liver fat. 4. Suppresses appetite. Apple cider vinegar also suppresses appetite, which helps prevent you from eating junk food. High intake of junk food is linked to obesity and belly fat. A 2014 study published in Nature Communications suggests that acetic acid helps suppress centers in the brain that control appetite, which can lead to reduced food intake. Apart from the appetite-suppressing effects, apple cider vinegar also slows down the rate at which food leaves your stomach. How to use apple cider vinegar to lose belly fat. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet is not a complicated process. However, you need to always keep in mind to take raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This type of apple cider vinegar is cloudy in texture and has sediment in the bottom known as the mother. This contains all the probiotic bacteria and enzymes that make this product so powerful. The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Just mix the required amount into a glass of lukewarm water. Add the juice of 1 lemon and a little honey. Mix well. Drink it twice daily. Another easy method is to use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. You can also use it to make pickles. When it comes to apple cider vinegar for weight loss, always start slow. While 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is a healthy dose, some people find they need to work up to this level. Start with 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase the amount. Also, you need to be patient. Apple cider vinegar is a slow and steady method of weight loss. You won't get a result within a week, but with time you will see the difference. You can flatten your stomach faster by coupling your new apple cider vinegar regimen with regular exercise and a healthy diet.